we're gonna build upon our underhand throw. So remember, that was where you reach down by your knee and then you reach out into the playing area. Today I set up like a bowling activity. So the first bowl will be 3 points. These series right here will be worth 2 points. And then these series are worth 1. So you want to stand a little distance away. For the sake of where I am, I'm going to stand a little bit closer so you can see. And I'm going to shoot for any of these bowls. So I just try to make that one. So I got 1 point. I'm going to go retrieve my sock ball, come back, aim for another one. I miss. So I go retrieve my sock ball, come back, shoot for another one. I got 1 more point, so I'm up to 2 points. Go get my sock ball, come back, 1 more throw. I made it into 3, so I'm up to 5 points. So you guys can do this for like a series of 6 throws or 10 throws, or you can set a timer, run it for a minute, any variation that you would like to do. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video.